Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate the Posted Invoices tab within the Invoice Management Screen. The Invoice Management Screen offers a comprehensive overview of all posted invoices within a practice. Not only does it provide a summary, but it also enables you to perform individual actions on a debtor or patient's file. Moreover, you can execute bulk actions directly from the Invoice Management tab, allowing for efficient management of multiple debtor or patient records. In this video, we will start on the Report screen. Click on the Invoice Management tab. The Posted Invoices screen will open. We will now take a look at the various sections and fields within this screen. You are able to filter the results displayed on a screen by completing the filter fields with the desired information. Let's go over the filter section first. Click on a context filter drop-down menu. You will be presented with two options on the list. Each option significantly alters the available filtering choices, which we'll proceed to discuss in detail. Click on a context filter option. First, you are able to complete the demographic details of the debtor, each within their respective field. You can enter the system-generated debtor number into the debtor account identifier field if known. Click on the From and To Service Date fields to open the date picker and select the applicable date. Complete the document number within the document number field. Complete the regional turnover, medical aid outstanding, patient outstanding, and outstanding fields to filter an amount that is greater than or equal to the desired amount. To select the treating practitioner or practitioners, click on a treating practitioner drop-down menu and make your selection. Click on the medical aid scheme drop-down menu and select the applicable medical aid schemes from the list. Click on a switch status drop-down menu and select the relevant option. When satisfied with the completed information, click on the Update Results button. To clear all the fields, click on the Reset Filters button. Next, we will take a look at the second filtering option. Click on the Context Filter drop-down menu and select Default Filter. Next, you are able to complete the demographic details of the patient, each within their respective fields. To filter according to the patient's date of birth, click on the patient date of birth from and to fields, which will open the date picker and select the desired dates. Click on the debtor status drop-down menu and select the applicable statuses to display. Select the patient's gender from the patient gender drop-down menu. To either display active patients, inactive, or both, click on the Active Patient slider. The treating practitioner or practitioners, click on a treating practitioner drop-down menu and make your selection. Now, select the ICD-10 and procedure codes to display by clicking on each of their respective fields and make your selection. Please be aware that only the ICD-10 and procedure codes used on previously posted invoices will be displayed on the list. To select the booking dates to filter, click on a booking date from and to fields, which will open a date picker for each option, and then make your selection accordingly. Once you are satisfied with the completed information, click on the Update Results button. To clear all the fields, click on the Reset Filters button. Next, click on the Sidebar Expander. Within the Invoice Management sidebar, you are able to perform bulk actions such as SMSs and emails by selecting multiple patients from the filtered list. For more information regarding this sidebar, please refer to the Invoice Management Posted Invoices Sidebar Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we will go over the buttons located at the top right of the list screen. Click on the Select All Results button to select every line in the column. Click on the Expand Width button to auto-fit the column width to the information within all columns. Click on the Reset Widths button to restore the original widths after any modifications were done. Click on the Sort All Columns button to sort the columns in the order that you desire. For more information on sorting columns, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Report and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Choose Columns button to select the columns that will be displayed on the list. For more information on choosing columns, kindly refer to the How to Choose Columns on Report and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Context Layout button to change the layout of the columns displayed. To export the list as a CSV file, click on the Export to CSV button located at the bottom of the screen.